Hi, I'm Tom with Complete Air Services, Air Conditioning and Heating out of Tomball, Texas, and today I'm going to be going over with you how to change your media air filter. First, what is a media filter? A media filter is a 5-inch filter that attaches to the return of your unit, and it's a whole house filter. It more or less replaces your indoor air filter. I say more or less because a lot of builders now, they're putting the return grills where you can't put a filter in there. If that's the case, that's fine. This is the only place you need one. If you do have a return that can accept a filter down there, I recommend running the 1-inch cheapest dollar filters you can find, nothing more. Now, on to replacing your media filter. Very simple. Just pull, remove the door. Take note of the airflow arrow, which is going towards the long way of your system, because you're going to want it going back that way. And you simply just remove your media air filter. You have your new filter, you take it, you slide your new air filter in, simply replace your door back on, and that's it. You're done. Now always, before you start, make sure you have your furnace power switch turned to the off position. Okay? If you can't seem to locate your furnace power switch, you don't know where it is, you can turn your thermostat off downstairs, and that's fine. It makes it a lot easier to change, and you do have moving parts in here that you want to be careful of. Well, that's it. That's how to change your media filter. Thanks for tuning in, and if you ever need anything else, have any questions, you can reach us at 281-257-3303 or visit us on the web at completeairhouston.com. Thank you.